FPNTV official. So we now subscribe to our channels. Make sure you subscribe to our channels. Over YouTube, FPNTV official on YouTube. FPNTV official on YouTube. O subscribe here, like it. Neja comment our programs biya yebeye biya eto. Uria share na afoforo so enye bi enhwe. Midindi upon adeni mboaten. Anopei ewie trending news ana yede ebremu. Trending news number 1. Oforian Ponsa all for real. We didn't come on. Ye celebrate our legend that Lumba free our free moon. Ana Oforian Ponsa ede nkomo atutu nkomo kakra na ye the credit no so bama Ofori dia flowers. One na ma yinya the story. Na nkomo didie mu no o say time odi hu that Lumba no oye very young. Na wa ye demos na enum no wa choro eso na ye den intimi enko nti oye den one day bi na Lumba club akoka che ne say adenti na won fa wo demo no nye den embre Lumba no onhwe so obetima abo a emu ana all for real Oforian Ponsa e dey ni demo ni first demo oye o de ko ma Lumba akora no ma Lumba eso ye de etie eno ni bi your voice ni wa ha nti ye bebo akere mu.
Then me call me who say music ya show be music store na me rem to me rem na me de me demo ma sabe the so bomb me demo you now tie na so bit me will be over boy and the guy listened to the songs or tisa also when I told you say I also Charlie, this is a powerful song. Unim, fako that Lumba ho. That Lumba, I'm saying, I can't remember that Lumba. So, that Lumba, I said that Lumba ba or boa young guys. So you can try your luck there. So, the share me button me coins and I have a coins no. I shot kakra for the day. So I calculated my coins and so I took my song there, knocked on the door, and gave my demo to the guy. No, see that Lumba Baobeti. So the following day, early in the morning, I just went there, sat behind the gate. I was waiting. Behind the gate, there was this guy bar out. Hey, now Oforian Ponsa also don't know more see. And I'm saying, I want to call me the man or Charlie. Baby far, Papa, where am I? So he was just shouting, "Oh, did you tell me that day? We Lumba until we want. We Lumba to family cassette me for." I'm calling Kubusa and say, "Charlie, edebena that Lumba na yo. What Jimmy cassette? Now also do the bana. Charlie, baby far share omwa. Na me jaw na be share the so me share the for some time na ye den the cassette here there. Bread. And na okoy na ebusa say why no for Ponsa. I'm saying, yeah. So that Lumba so home. So I went inside. Na oyi like obi baba like immediately one kasa whom ya one kasa. I'm saying, Charlie Papa my enemy be I was me back. No right inside. So he right inside. Now imagine say obi a year baba a day a year can say Caesars no catch say Charlie train I'm coming. Right inside he comes out with an envelope. 5 million. Hey! Charlie, 5 million Ghana. That time, 5 million, kind of 5 million. So, like, a 500 Ghana cedi. Those times. Oh, dear, mommy. Because that time, mommy, and she, dollar cry was like 30, imagine 30 cedi. So, Obi of 500, amount bear $3,000. Handing me some demos. I am a star. He just looked at me, said, "Get this, demos, Nafabra. You are a star. You become like me." I'm like, what is this? Obi a man 3 years. Me demo cheese. Is it? bra me free wa che say and I say kona ko nyom foforo bra I'll produce you. Also the last thing me ba Ghana has say me tie enyoma I wanted something, I wanted a voice. And I think say you have a different voice. So I went out because the camera 3,000 and you could have been a we drew market to her and say, hey, watch you because me say me I star. I need a so that was the story. But me need that Lumba you know and cost as smooth as people think. Me were under him for almost 6 years. Me drew in China 2 months in a truck contract. But it took 6 years for FPNTV to come out. So I went into the wilderness for 6 good years. But I'm somebody I never give up. All the time, if you any say, you know, I'll just go and sit. Say that Lumba and Pia, sometimes you'll be in there for 2 straight days, you will not come out. So me try a bana jobe 11:30, 10:30. That's on Pia. That's me said that day on Pia. I'll continue. I'll frequent there every day. About 6. And that's my work. I'll just go and sit until I meet him. You know. So me call her. Me opportunity to get closer to him. Now me name say on also or share me. You know. So, yeah, quite anymore. If I say 19, so that was 93. I quite say, not any that's will be any misubi. Obi I do upper 6. You are going to the university. All of a sudden, you UAD every school. Your music in inside all you know. And you're there, and bar one thing. The unfortunate thing that happened is that very year, no, you made different school now. And that Lumba say, after you know, on your or Jai production because Obi in the Bibiama, you know. Afewajai production. So that was the beginning of my wilderness. But still, I was friends with him. I'll go to him. Ofrabruchiba, he'll call me. So I'll go to his house. So me who said that no matter there or her, I'll just pick it up. I am a privilege because I to not there. No, me said in know it. He was looking at it, and one day, around 1999. Something just like happened to me. If you believe something, you just believe. I just had this faith, say, my own wilderness in music I check. Because me recorded with that Lumba and Amber out. Another producer found me and said, oh, sorry, or Boami. Like, he recorded brand new songs. I have forgotten even the songs. Brand new songs, powerful songs. And I did it with him. And at that, Baby releasing on radio. The guy got a problem here in Ghana. He was a timber merchant. So ne problem be with the then me call me music ya trouble music.
Flowers any oforian ponsa edi abra Lumba eden etoy. Oni ni di nkomo mebre efa abrabo a oni Lumba eden eboy asase se de ohun Lumba esifa. Nkomo webre ekoso enu bi na yabo amamotie nu. Mr. Also be subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your YouTube channel no FPNTV official. FPNTV official. O subscribe ya, like it. O like it we are. Ja comment eto ho. Say program say ye. We need you one ja program ja comment eto ho. We are. Share ma afoforo so enye bi yere entie. Yeah, moving on to our next trending story. It's here for Mr. So when you subscribe, never share the way Kum Chacha. Also for Kum Chacha, I Prophet One Kum Chacha. Okoye o Lumba. Book of condolence I say subscribe to the YouTube channel. Our next one here, Kum Chacha. Kum Chacha no Drew Lumba efie. Na omu bie book eto wo se obia mbetro de onim efa Lumba ho. Adofo ne obi bia eren etimi ko efie okotro de onim efa Lumba ho. enum ana kum chacha so yɛ de nya akonya ekɔtena ase se ɔno so yɛ de ebe kyerɛ de onim ɛfa Lumba ho ɛgya ɔmo bie book ni ma no na book na ɔmo bie ma no na ayɛ sidie nko a ɔsɔfo kum chacha entimi entwerɛ ento so ontimi entwerɛ de opɛsɛ ɔyɛ de ɔka ɛkyerɛ atiefo entu book nim na mema ahwɛfo ayɛ de ahwɛ emra ɔmoma no kwan sɛ ɔnkyerɛ nsɛm a onim fa Lumba ho no mema ahwɛfo kwan amom so ahwɛ bi Nkrɔfo dia ɔmatwerɛ ato hɔ na na kyerɛ sɛ wɔyɛ den obiem baako na watwerɛ baako obiem baako na watwerɛ baako kyerɛ sɛ na ne west nyaa asa onim de ɔbɛka afa Lumba ho nti na kyerɛ sɛ nkrɔfo dia ɔmatwerɛ ato hɔ no ɔyɛ den ɔno nso ahwehwɛ mu na ɔyɛ den ɔkyerɛ ato hɔ. Our next trending story yenya enim sɛ Lumba na ɔmfa ne teacher ɔkyerɛ nadeɛ Madam Amponsa Echampon ndi agoro na abra Madam Echampon eduru Lumba fie no na aya awrewsem mami esunya ma omususo ni mu ekrokro no sɛ oba pani misrew to boase na eduru hɔ na aya awrewsem because Lumba always biya no ne nyum biya obebo biya no obo ye maami din yeren ewom nti eduru se maami no ebetro na no di asem ewo Lumba fie na che se aya awreho ye o video no wa ase ye bema ahwefo ene etiefo so ayeden enya bi ahwe koye ewo Lumba efie ho abra ne teacher o kyerɛ nadeɛ Madam Echampon eduru ho momen ko yenim trending number 4 yenya ye pay tribute to the high life legend Daddy Lumba no African greatest Davido ye Nigerian artist Davido ono so every year bia or concert a oyeden oyema amanfo ewo Canada na okoye o Toronto Canada Toronto emunu na ono so ye de pay tribute ema Davido ema Daddy Lumba osi Daddy Lumba is the greatest of all time na program no koso no o ma ye bo Daddy Lumba enyum bi ahodoɔ mmienu aben wɔ ha ne some other songs bi ewom ɛhɔ na Davido ɛbɛka sɛ well ɔno ankasa anyɛ lucky anhyia Lumba one on one ba otie ne nnwom ɛne sɛ na o living style na obetumi aka sɛ in terms of her life ne deɛ that Lumba ɛyɛ one of the best because sɛ ɛba Akye3munsem a that Lumba betumi atwerɛ nnwom ɛwɔ so ɛba akutia nnwom a ɛwɔ hɔ ɛba gospel a ɛwɔ hɔ nti this all these trends no that Lumba betumi ayɛ den ama o nnwom wɔ hɔ nti ɔno no deɛ to ɔno no Davido no ohun sɛ that Lumba ɛyɛ the greatest in terms of high life. Now Osaka said he is the greatest ever ɔno Lumba generation because in terms of generations mebree aba a ɔma produce nnwom yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ Amachi Dede wɔ ne generation Kwadwonti ɛwɔ ne generation ɛna afei so Daddy Lumba Charles Kwadwofosu so wɔ ne generation nti in terms of generation ne deɛ Davido said that Lumba ɔna the greatest ever ne generation asen ɔdɔfoɔ woda so ɛhwɛ etie FPNTV official all our social media handles FPNTV official mesra okwa subscribe o subscribe a like o like we a ja comment eto o se programs na ye no eye o de eye o fe na opese o ka bibi fa ho a ja comment eto o na afi so share ama afoforo so nye den enya bi enhwe. We are moving on to our next trending story. 1 month ago, the Black Queens of Ghana, which is football, a man Akye3munsem, call WAFCON every 2 years via tournament omubo edishe emane elimunyam na enum na Ghana yeso ya manu nya akonya se omeyede ombo akosi akan ewo Morocco tournament no eba so wo Morocco na omubo tournament ni wieye no na ya manu atoso third, which is omu the bronze eyeden eba fie na enum no na ye call parliament the minority side, which is the MPP, I donated 100,000 Ghana cedis at the Black Queens of Ghana. Say, omo dem ba omo ko dan na din ewo WAFCON no omo nya den omo ngi sesika we no omo ye de omo nche na enunu mu na minority leader honorable FPNTV eye den e dis ka no e call parliament e de ko kire the speaker of parliament say Mr. Speaker, I am say a month ago ye ma you are be kwan e mo ko ye den e ko si akan e di ma Ghana na omo ko ye na mpa omo bo omo homoden e di third na omo di third no omo abaso body a yesa de ma omo ye bronze na yentimi nka se bronze ne nkwa na ye den ye de ma omo nti ye minority a ye wo parliament in there ye de 100,000 Ghana cedis e say ka bronze no ho e de ama ema no said ya abre bia ye from a ombeyi omakumamu eren abom homodin e dia ma Ghana oma raise the flag of Ghana high enimu na majority side e wo so ye den e sha se omu huru the minority out caucus in parliament enti ye o video do ho ye bobo ama ahwefo ne atiefo so ehu de course e wo parliament abra minority e donate 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is 1 billion, to the Black Queens of Ghana. Parliament House enra day ana yeso ye den yabo bi akyere mu no the Black Queens of Ghana etimi kwa J the bronze medal our WAFCON 2025 edema Ghana emunu na omo ye den omo call Parliament House say omo so de omo bronze medal omo nyae e ko kyere Parliament emu ana minority caucus led by Honorable Akye3munsem eso di two that say oh yeso kra de yenya sika bia de yeso ye de bema mo ehɔ na Akye3munsem eyi sika no de atu table no so kan de kyerɛ Speaker of Parliament say this is the amount 100,000 Ghana cedis tetiska 1 billion. Black Queens management players any officials no omo nje no mo yere omo nkodi enumu ha no so time of Black Queens of Ghana ebe arrive our Parliament House no na yepe one of the MPs are omoye energetic e bajama mu pa dia untimi nyi MP for Inshayeso Stephen Amwa aka Stika untimi nyi enfrim say yambo jama ekoso yenye dede yambo nyum yendi asade Parliament wo obia ni obeto no obia bia ni obetimi ato MP for Inshayeso Stephen Amwa dodo na friend stika aha amai eduru Parliament House o de soloku de ehia amai ebom ninsem ediasa amai manu musa na yere ka se MP say ujo asa obetimi adinu no oni emani bomu ediasa na ye video no e wo ho a ye pese ehwefo ene etiefo so yere ehu de stika Honorable Stephen Amwa MP for Inshayeso so ere eye the Black Queens of Ghana ebedru Parliament House omode medals ebe chere Parliament enyema bi ekoso Honorable Stephen Amwa asa one emaya no edi ewo Parliament House eso eno no. Our last trending story Kumasi Asante Kotoko every season biano or your boss season ni wie na ye be ra into a new season obia dan ne kits ne ntalia oyere obehye edi enumu ana Kumasi Asante Kotoko say last week omutimi kwaje de Toyota Cup omkobo South Africa omkwaje Toyota Cup omkobo South Africa with Kaizer Chiefs akansi ani ba na wie ye no na Kumasi Asante Kotoko etimi edi nkunim by penalties omutimi di trophy ni dem eba Ghana na enumu no na release new season jersey omubehye no 2025-2026 season Kotoko new jersey omubehye no 2025-2026 new season no ahwefo na etiefo me nkan mebre mume kohwe the way boys no esi ewura dressing room omukofa jersey no ehye feeling the texture the quality of jersey your video no ewo ha ye bema ahwefo so eden ehu etiwe dressing room dressing room no say hi 2025-2026 there chale you just in too much obia feeling the boot omuwie na just say ni die abba dressing room na just say players near them feeling the texture almost share jersey no so mo nwere ehu de ekoso eno na Albert Amua Kwame Poku Kamal Mudin eso eren ewo ha omo dressing akọ pitch no so akọ introduce the new jersey we abra omudru pitch no so aha eti nyame ya aduma 2025-2026 season jersey we ana THB the hope brand aye ediama the Warriors the Fabulous jersey we na mbere ebehye the year 2025-2026 season adafo etiefo medam asimebri ahase na brebe makwan ema ye the trending news esi misraw so be subscribe to our YouTube channel here FPNTV official o subscribe ya like it o like you ya ja comment eto your program say ye nya eya ofe na ye wanika ja comment eto o ja comment to wi a esan se won pese won kwa na obehwenti share ema afoforo so enya bi enhwe midin e de opon boatin me executive producer ase ana me colleague Madam Pat so ase yakram